from Bowling Green to Nashville this morning. We had a pretty good time last night. We went out, watched some burnouts and whatnot, ate some Mexican with the boys. It was a good time. All around, pretty good time. Okay, so I think we've just knocked out about 60, 70 miles. We've got everybody over here parked up at the gas station. We're just kind of regrouping. It was kind of hard to keep everybody together through traffic. But I think we're 10 miles from Nashville now. Yeah, we're probably just going to cruise the rest of the way to the track, and then I'll update you there.
You can zap the back of that thing with an impact. I know Alex
look around and find out if you want. It's up to you.
Ooh, well, you've got those out.
Already fixed it.
We made it to Nashville Super Speedway, but that is a 3-wide line all the way back there. And then it goes down, it merges into a 1-wide line that goes all the way up there, and then it goes all the way out and around, almost around the entire speedway. So looks like we're going to be waiting for a minute. He's getting with it. He's getting down over there.
I want to get my car punched, damn it. So what's your deal?
We're attempting to make it into Nashville. There's quite a few folks. Well, we're probably, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes into idling. So far, the dart's not hit 180 yet. Oil pressure's looking good. I know we got some folks in the party here, like Will back behind me. He's got an S10. He's starting to heat up a little bit. Kale's starting to heat up a little bit, but overall we're doing all right. The little garbage can fan trowel, she's holding in there good. That son of a gun's got some clutch smoke rolling off of it. It smells terrible. Almost. I don't know if you can tell. There it is. Well, we made it in the venue, and I guess Vice Grip Garage is here, because there is a mile-long line to go see him. Well, let's see if we can get a glimpse of him over here. Oh, there he is. There's old Derek. Pretty cool guy. We are in the venue, and I'll show you where we're parked up here in just a second. So over here at the QA1 booth, we've got our Diggs, Kevin, Kale's over here. There's Alec. We've got Wyatt. There's Brad. Hey, Brad. And the Dart down here at American Powertrain booth. They're parked up. Oh, here comes trouble. There comes trouble. Parked up down here next to Bryce. American Powertrain. Good time so far.
Hey, Bill,
I don't know how we really managed it, but
move the van out of their background,
brother,
please.
brother.
Brother, there's 2 green shit boxes back there.
Oh, there he is right there.
Want a van with a Harley Davidson strapped to the back of it.
Yeah, he's like, I can't see.
I don't think he saw the
Well done, sir.
We ended up going to the Longhorn Steakhouse for dinner, and look who joined us. We have Dylan McCool, Sally Speed Shop. I think everybody made it in. Going to get us some steak, I guess.